How to fix shadow ban on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Solution Guy Bimo, and in this guide video I will show you how you can fix if your account has been shadow banned by TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app first. Once you've updated TikTok, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, before we get to discuss about how we can fix the shadow ban, you have to understand what shadow ban means in the first place. Now, in simple terms, shadow ban simply means when a particular social media such as TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram simply stops recommending your account to other profiles. For example, in most cases this could actually be a private account issue, but if your account is public, if you're a celebrity, if you are a prominent figure, and in TikTok simply does not actually recommend the content to someone else, it is not showing up on other people's feed, it is not showing up on their FYP, which is their For You page. That is what shadow ban is all about. In most cases it could be your account issue, which means the account on your TikTok profile could actually be private, but in most cases it is usually the algorithm's issue. Some people say that it exists and the others say that this rule actually does not exist, but if it does, then there are a couple of things which you can do. The very first thing I would recommend you do is to simply switch your account to public, because that could be one of the primary reasons why. The other could be because let's say that one of your videos are not getting any type of views, which means your video has been shadow banned by TikTok. Well, in that case, what you want to do is you want to verify the privacy of that particular video. For example, if I go ahead and then select this video, and if I go ahead and tap on the three dots which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here if I go ahead and select the button which says edit privacy, as you can see right over here it says privacy settings. You want to make sure that the who can watch this video is set to everyone. We can't just blame TikTok that it has shadow ban account. In most cases it could be our simple dumb issue, which could be that we have set our settings and privacy to private, and that could be one of the reasons why TikTok is actually not letting our videos and accounts to be recommended to other people's feed. However, if none of the solutions work for you, sometimes just like on Instagram and Facebook's platform as well, there is a way to actually boost your account. So make sure that you have a business account, try to boost your account and see if that fixes the issue. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you, and at least that this video gives some insights to you about what the shadow ban really is and whether or not it exists on the TikTok and the social media platform. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.